A week ago, I told the internet I had 150 days to save my dream. I expected fear, panic, maybe identity crisis, but something unexpected happened. I actually started moving. There's something strange about saying your dream out loud. Once people know, you can't quietly quit anymore. This week, something huge happened. My paintings finally have somewhere to live, which means they are officially available to buy. That sentence feels so weird to say. For years, my painting have just been decorating my walls, or hiding behind my sofa, or laying on my bed, or stacked in corners. They are just waiting for me to make a decision. Now they are finally allowed to leave home. The funny part, opening a shop sounds simple. Paint, upload, done, right? But no. Apparently, opening an art shop means becoming a photographer, website designer, pricing expert. I never thought I spent 20 minutes researching bubble wrap. Yet we are here. And while all that was happening, I've been working on something else, the Narnia painting. It's been sitting on my easel, slowly becoming the painting I imagined months ago. Some days I stare at it and think, this is beautiful, and other days I stare at the exact same painting and think, what is this weird tree doing? Being an artist is basically arguing with yourself. But this week, it's finally coming together. The colors, the light, the tiny details. If everything goes according to plan, it will be finished this week, and honestly, I don't know who's more excited, me or the painting. I've also learned something this week. Making art isn't actually the hardest part, sewing it is. Every time I post, my finger still hovers over the upload button, like maybe if I wait another 10 minutes, the fear will disappear. But it never does. I just press it anyway. Turns out courage is incredibly inconvenient. You know what's funny? 7 days ago, I thought this challenge was about becoming successful. Now I think it's about becoming someone who keeps showing up even when nobody's clapping, even when the algorithm is acting like you don't exist, even when your painting looks like it lost a fight with a paintbrush. You keep going. And something else happened this week. People start leaving comments. And I love that. I love reading your comments and replying them. So where are we now? Day 7, the shop is open. The Narnia painting is almost finished. More paintings are already waiting for their turn, and I am still betting everything on this dream. I have absolutely no idea what day 150 looks like. Maybe I'll still be figuring things out. But I know one thing, this week I moved forward. Not perfectly, not dramatically, just forward. And maybe that's what chasing a dream actually looks like. Not giant leaps, just hundreds of tiny steps that eventually becomes a life. So, if you've been watching since day one, thank you. Seriously, every view, every comment, every person sharing this journey makes this dream feel a little less impossible. And if one of my painting happens to speak to you, it's finally waiting for you in my coffee shop. That feels weird to say. But anyways, I've got a painting to finish, a shop to fill, about 17 other jobs to do, and somehow remember to eat lunch. Day 7 done. Bye.